How to draw a cartoon snail. Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! So for the first step of drawing our snail today, we're going to begin by making two circles right in the center of the page. These will help make the eyes of our snail. Nice job! Now inside of each eye, we're going to add in a black circle to make the pupil. If you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video of our snail today, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that I can keep you up to date on the latest drawing tutorials every single day. Next, we're going to use sea-like shapes to make an outline around the eyes of our snail. Now below the eyes, we're going to begin to make where they will connect to the body. Be sure to stick around until the end of the video so that we can color our drawing together. Great job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now right below the eyes, we're going to begin to make the body of our snail. You can make your snail as big or as small as you would like. Now right below the eyes, inside of the body, we're going to make it appear as if our snail is smiling. We can do this by adding in an upside down sea-like shape. Now to add detail inside of our snail's body, we can use small circles to add in dots. Now since almost every snail has a shell, we're going to move slightly to the left and we're going to begin to add in a shell for our snail. We're going to do this by starting with a swirl-like shape. Now to finish drawing the shell of our snail, we're going to close in those two open gaps up top and down below. We're going to do this by using two small curved lines. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you liked this video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up so that other people can draw our snail as well. Now let's go ahead and color in our drawing together. learn how to Drill Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.